Make we enter the next question. Make we go check question waiting D. Then say make we find the dot product. When you see dot here, it means dot product of this vector A and B. Okay, make we go do them quick. We don't get time to waste. So they say make we find A dot B. So how I want to find this dot product? We know waiting A B already. Make we say A na, make we go back, 2I plus 3J plus 4K. B na 1 2 3. Okay, make we go carry am, make we write am so that go dey fresh for our eye. This one we know say this one na 2I plus 3J plus 4K. Then that's for A. You know that vector A be that too. So this one now, they say this one dot. Then vector B, we know say vector B na 1I. I don't already start with 1I, may continue, plus 2J plus 3K. So now wetin dey mean with that? Say make you use wetin you get for vector A, wey be this one, all these things now, carry multiply this one. But which kind of multiplication? Na dot product, because vector get two types of multiplication. We get the scalar multiplication and the cross multiplication. The scalar multiplication now be this dot product. Then we get also this cross multiplication. How we take multiply two vector? Now what I want to teach you. Now pay attention, because I could break everything down. Now the situation here now they very simple. You go use this first one like this. This one carry multiply by this first one. Now what you go do with that? You go still use this second one now, multiply by this second one. Then come use this third one, multiply by this third one. Very simple. That means wetin I suppose do here now, 2I multiply by, that's dot, you can get 1I. Now wetin I mean with that? Plus the next one come be wetin? 3J dot 2J. The next one come be waiting. Make I take an up small so I go see and clear. The next one come be waiting. Plus 4K dot. No mistakenly put cross, so because na dot product we dey do, 3K. Now the other time when we do addition, you notice say we don't talk about waiting that I J K. They tell us. They tell us about it. They show us direction. So if this I now for X direction, this I now for X direction, then this one will go like this, will go down like this. Now be J, this one na I. Then the other one will they go this other side, now be K. This one they show us X direction, this one they show us Y direction, this one now Z direction. So if we add them, if they add 2I plus something, or maybe for this particular one, make you concentrate on this one, this I and I, waiting be I times I. We know say I times I now I squared. But you get what I want to show you now. Just relax. What of J times J? You know say J times J na J squared normally. K times K na K squared. For this particular one, we need to do one like that. You understand? Here for this particular one, I dot I now equal to 1. Note this thing down. Note this thing down. J times J equal to 1, because I go, if I reach cross product, I will teach you wetin I times I be. J times J, or maybe cross with cross. So before this one dot, learn this one, K dot K equal to 1. Note this particular thing, so I dey tell you now, it go dey useful. Now why be say if I get 2.1, it go give me 2. Now be the answer for this one. I dot I go give me 1, so 2 times 1 now 2. You see say I don't disappear. Plus this one, J times J, I don't tell you say J times J now 1. So that means if I get 3 times 2, will give me 6. 6 times this one now still 6. J don't disappear. It don't disappear. Plus this one, 4 times 3 now 12. K times K now 1. So 12 times 1 now still 12. It does say K don't also disappear. Remember now dot product of vector A and B we do. Therefore, it does say the dot product of this vector A and B now equal to, add everything and be the answer. 2 plus 6 it will give us within 8. 8 plus 12 will give us 20. Now the answer where we get at 20. Remember wetin I just do, I dot I, J dot J, K dot K no be the same thing when e dey deal with cross product. Now make I explain few things before we go leave this one go talk about something. This one dey very very important and I need tell you why I you just note this thing, e go dey very very useful. I normally dey talk about I na unit vector, remember J na unit vector, I na unit vector for x direction, I na unit vector for x direction, J na unit vector for y direction, this K na unit vector for this particular z direction. And a unit vector has magnitude of 1. Now wetin you go know, this unit vector e get magnitude of 1, this one get magnitude of 1, magnitude of 1. All these things na wetin go sync for your eye, because if you come for objective question you no go know. So that means normally get formula wey we get, if I get wetin be, if they ask you wetin be A dot B cross B, if you just simply tell them say the formula na the absolute value or the magnitude of vector A times the magnitude of vector B times cos of the angle theta. In this case, because we dey talk about dot product now, it will be cos 0. The 0 now, cos 0 na 1. Go ask question now, cos 0 na 1. So if you dey deal with maybe I magnitude of I times, if they talk for this particular one, the magnitude of I times magnitude of I cos 0 degrees. I don't tell you say this one times this one. In fact, magnitude of a vector I na 1. Magnitude of this vector I na still 1. So if you get 1 times, sorry, no, you no use this dot, 1 dot 1 dot cos 0 na still 1. Everything multiply go give you 1. Now see the worker, now see the work for this particular dot product. Carry these things for head. E dey different when we dey talk about different direction, no, because when you dey different direction, you go dey perpendicular. Anything perpendicular na the angle na 90. Anything perpendicular be this, we dey talk about 90 degree. Perpendicular na this thing wey I draw. If e dey different direction, maybe they get something like I dot J, that one na 0, that one no be 1, no. If I get something like J dot K, that one still na 0. If I get something like K dot I, that one na 0, because cos of this angle cos 90 degrees na 0. E go give you this one. Dey work when e be different direction na im be, remember I this particular one now wey we do now, this particular I for this one and I, then dey the same direction. E dey strengthen the magnitude, they make the magnitude of this particular line big. Like for this one now na 2 units like this. This one now na 1 unit. E dey make this one big on the same direction. This one too, e dey make this one big on the same direction. This one on the same direction. But when you come dey begin dey switch am, dey carry say e wan go this one and this one, e don dey change direction be that o. E don become I dot J and this one na 0. If you change direction from this one to this one now, e don dey change another direction, J dot K, the answer too na 0. If you come from this side now like this, e don dey change direction, say na K dot I na 0. The reverse dey for this one. What if they come say what of J dot I? Make we leave am, make I no talk plenty for this one, but I just know say the basic wey I don drop like this, e go help you understand these things well when they multiply dot product and when they deal with cross products. Now why I say make I spend time do this particular one. I hope say you don learn well. I hope say you don learn well. The last thing we are supposed to talk now, this 20 wey we get as the answer. You notice say this particular 20, e dey greater than 0. E get significant normally as e dey greater than 0. E get reason, e get meaning. We get when e be say the dot product, that angle dey less than 90 degrees. When e dey less than 90 degrees, e get implication. When e dey greater than 90 degrees, e get implication. When e be equal to 90 degrees or equal to 0, e get implication. May I tell you that one quickly because now wetin I fit carry end this particular one. Sorry say this one don long. Na you what they use teach now. If e get dot product, if dot product dey greater than 0, wetin e mean be say, e mean say cos theta go also dey greater than 0. You understand? Cos theta, like for example, this one we get as 20 degrees. It means say cos theta, e go dey greater than 0. If you check cos theta, no be 1 wey we get. 1 dey greater than 0 now. What if we get this particular guy? If dot product dey equal to 0, e mean say cos theta go be equal to 0, wey be pure 90 degrees. But this one e go dey less than 90 degree. But this one go be equal to 90 degrees. What if the last point? What if dot product dey less than 0? If e dey less than 0, e mean say cos theta go dey less than 0. And if e dey less than 0, e mean say the angle go dey less than 90 degrees. And any angle wey dey less than 90 degrees, you know say na obtuse angle be that. You don do am before for school. The one be I mean greater than, e go dey greater than, yeah, na greater than 90 degree, wey be obtuse angle. This one dey less than 90 degree. This one na acute angle. You still remember those basics. This one na just pure 90 degrees, wey be normal 90 degrees. So since you see say our answer for this particular place na just 20, e mean say the angle must be acute. You understand? The key point wey I show you for this particular one na how to take solve for dot product. All this other one na extra information wey they give you, wey go help you for this particular course. This lecture wey I give you like this now, e pass wetin you go receive for university or for anywhere. Take am serious. Na Pidgin I carry teach you, make everything sink for your brain. Na all I get for you for this one be that. Enjoy yourself.